From your PractiCORE dashboard, click your profile icon and select Company Settings from the drop-down. Inside the Company tab, scroll down to the Branding section and click Letterhead Branding to open the Header and Footer Designer. This is where you create the custom branded letterhead that will appear on every fee proposal and invoice your practice generates. Starting with the header, adjust the height using the slider to suit your design. Then click Company Logo to insert your practice logo directly into the header canvas. Position it centrally for a clean, professional appearance at the top of every document you send to clients. Now switch to the Footer tab. The footer appears at the bottom of every page of your documents and is the ideal place to display your practice's contact details for a polished, professional finish. Begin by adjusting the footer height using the slider to give yourself enough space. Click Text Box to add a new text element to the footer canvas. A text box will appear. Click inside it and begin typing your company information. Here, we're entering the practice name BRM Architects Limited, followed by the telephone number, email address, and website. These contact details will be displayed clearly at the bottom of every page, ensuring your clients always have your information to hand. With your text entered, you can fully customize how it looks. Use the font selector to change the typeface. Here, switching to Helvetica for a clean, modern aesthetic. You can apply bold formatting for emphasis, adjust the text size and colour to complement your brand, and drag the text box to exactly the right position on the footer canvas. Take your time composing and positioning your footer. Every single element is fully adjustable. When you are completely happy with both your header and footer designs, click Save Header and Footer to apply your letterhead across all documents. A confirmation notification will appear, letting you know your letterhead branding has been saved successfully. Your custom header and footer will now automatically appear on every fee proposal and invoice generated within PractiCORE. Your letterhead has been saved. PractiCORE confirms this with a notification. You can reopen the designer at any time to refine your design further. Now let's explore your document templates. Click the Estimates tab in Account Settings, then select Templates and click View Templates to open the PDF Templates library. The PDF Templates page is where you manage all of your quotation and invoice document designs. PractiCORE comes with a professionally designed standard fee proposal template, crafted specifically for architecture practices, which you can use straight away or customize to perfectly match your brand identity. To create your own version, click Duplicate next to the standard fee proposal. A dialog will appear. Give your new template a name. Here we're calling it BRM Architects Fee Proposal. Click Duplicate to create your own fully editable copy. The new template will appear in your library, confirmed by a success notification. Finally, click Set Active to make this your default template. It will now be automatically selected whenever you generate a new fee proposal for a client. Click Edit to open the template editor for your fee proposal. Navigate through all 4 pages. The template includes a branded cover page, a project details section, a scope of works, and a drawings register. The scope of works is particularly powerful. It automatically pulls in the work stages you've configured under service types in your project settings. So every proposal dynamically reflects exactly what your practice will deliver for that service type. The drawings register works in the same way, automatically listing the specific drawings your practice will produce, configured per service type in your project settings. Every element across all pages is fully customizable. Click Save to preserve your changes.